Welcome to another one video of Google Cloud. In this video, we are going to discuss about snapshots, which is nothing but a backup of a particular disk. Okay, so basically, this snapshot you can create like instant backup or standard backup or a scheduled backup. Like that, we can go with 3 ways. So here we are going to start with creating the snapshots and scheduling snaps. All those things we are going to discuss right now. So the very first one, we have to make snapshots of a particular disk, right? So the command what we are going to use this one is gcloud compute disk. So based upon disk only you can, sorry, it's not typing, gcloud compute disk. Under disk only we are going to create the snapshot, then your disk name, and make it as like you're having two disk, I think. Yeah, VM full demo, I can go with that disk. VM full demo. Okay. VM full demo, then followed by the snapshot name. Make the my backup, and so so going to reverse central one A. So it's a kind of instant backup, that is instant snapshot, so that the backup will be created in the local zone. Okay. So likewise, we can create using description as well as labels of mentioning the labels of the snapshot name, right? So this is another one we are doing. So you can have a description as well as an label name. Okay, so that's another way of doing. So we can add the description as my demo backup, and the label is nothing but it's a metadata for the particular snapshot. Okay, so we are adding some metadata, hyphen labels equal to env equal to it's a kind of like yeah, like making some labels which is like a key value bar for mentioning the metadata of the particular snapshot. So it will be useful like when you are making automations or filtering some snapshots, it will be helpful for us. Okay. Yeah, already it's available, I think. Okay, fine. Yeah. So can go with broad terms and we can change the name of the backup to one. Yeah, okay, where I have missed out. Okay, okay. Hope this one will work. Yeah, it's creating the snapshot. Okay, done. So now what we are going to do is we are going to list the snapshots whatever we are having. So I'm going with gcloud compute snapshots list. Okay, and I am applying filter. So every time when we are making this like filter equal to name, that is what the filter we are applying, right? The same one I am applying over here, filter equal to name colon the name of the filter what I am going to use, backup, my backup, gcloud, right? I'm making some spelled errors always. Okay, you can see the filter because both the things are having my backup of the thing, right? So you can list like that. If you no need of filter, you can make it like gcloud or compute snapshot list. That's another way. And even you can describe the snapshots with the entire detail. That also you can do, right? So you can go with like instead of this one, what I can do is instead of list, I'll go with describe. You'll get the detail of the particular snapshot, right? So that's another way of listing the details of particular snapshot. And yeah, there is another one command, that is what the delete command, but I am not going to utilize that one right now. We are going to create a disk from the snapshot what is there. That is the backup what you are having. You are going to make a disk from the backup. So what we are going to do is gcloud compute disk create my backup disk, right? And we are going to apply a flag called source, and source is the snapshot what we are mentioning. So snapshot equal to my backup snapshot. What are the snapshots we are having? Yeah, my backup and my backup one, right? So I'm going to give like my backup, and as usual the zone equal to viewers central 1 A, right? It's creating a disk from the snapshot what we are having. It's got created. Now the final thing, like we are going to make a schedule of that snapshot. Okay, so with this schedule it will create the backups on time. Okay, for that what we are going to do is gcloud compute resource policies, create snapshot schedule, and you can create a policy name like backup policy, backup policy demo. Okay. You have to create the policy, then you have to attach the policy to a particular disk so that it will take the backups then and there, right? So, and you have to mention the region. The region is yours, central 1, right? And you have to mention like whether you have to make it daily basis, then you have to give it as daily schedule. Right, and you have to mention the start time when it has to start the start taking the schedule, that is the backup, and make it as 3 o'clock, and the retention policy for how much day it should return the backup copy, that we can make it as retention policy. So we can make it as max, like max retention days. There is a variable like that, max retention hyphen days equal to 7, then hyphen on which disk we have to take the backup, on source disk. So here the thing is, whenever you are creating like CCTV footages and all, what it will do is it will make a backup, and it will, after 7 days, it will erase the thing and it will overwrite the data, right? Likewise, we are going to give like source disk hyphen disk delete, that is delete, and keep hyphen auto snapshots, same thing. Okay, it will do the same thing, right? So we had created the policy, we are creating the policy. retention policy. Just a minute. So now we have created the policy. And now what the thing we have to do is we have to attach the snapshot policy what we had created with the disk. So gcloud compute disk add resource policies like add IAM like that, add resources policy, resource policies, and your disk name, that is my backup. Okay, and next we are going to provide the resource policies, resource policies, that is what policy name, and our policy name is backup policy demo. So backup policy demo, and then your zone, that is zone equal to your central 1A. It will be applied to a particular disk, not a snapshot. Okay, so yeah, now it is attached with a particular snapshot policy. And the last, that is what deleting a snapshot. Okay, so that is what gcloud compute snapshot. Delete your snapshot name. That's it. Yes. For deletion, it will ask for confirmation, so you can provide a confirmation. After that, it will be deleted. Okay, it's done. So these are the some usable commands related with the snapshots creation in GCP. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another one video. Take care.